Welcome to QlikWorld Day 1 Keynote in 5 minutes. Interesting slide. I'll go into some more details on the next couple of screens around this one. Previously, we used to talk about 40 and 50,000 customers in Qlik. I'm not quite sure how it's counted now and why it would be smaller. In this slide here, some of the largest companies in the world are using Qlik, and 10 out of 10 pharmaceutical companies is amazing. This is typical performance for Qlik Cloud. 75% of customers are up and running in 4 days, over 500,000 databases being moved, and in terms of automations, over 5.5 million a month. Crawford gave us a bit of a presentation on IDC's view of what the future was, and I think the bottom line for this is intelligent automation is happening now with OpenAI, ChatGPT, and so on. Mike Capone came back on stage and talked about some steps that make sense when you're dealing with data these days, being data first, connecting everything and bringing it in, making it business ready, making it well governed and accurate so it can be trusted, and then looking for foresight, looking to the future to make some predictions, and then acting on those predictions. Carolyn Buckley from Ford talked about connected vehicles. Some of you may know I'm a Tesla owner and a bit of a fanatic about Tesla. I think, to be honest, Tesla's sewn up the game in terms of connected vehicles, and the examples there are very much around things for the customer, and to improve the business, you need to have connectivity that also improves the business. I hope that's going to happen. The executive board for Qlik is really impressive. There's a lot of huge names in here, including Ford, that we just learnt a little bit about. And I think it's very important for companies to take this kind of input from their customers to advise how the business should progress into the future. Obviously, a big part of what's happening in the future is Talend becoming part of the Qlik team. For those of you that don't know, both Talend, Qlik, and a number of other companies are all owned by the one investment company called Thoma Bravo, and it's fantastic to see Talend and Qlik potentially joining together. If they do that, there'll be Magic Quadrant leadership in 3 areas. You can see those up on the screen right now. I think that's wonderful. There was also a presentation by Harman in terms of what they were doing in the Qlik space, using both analytics and also data integration. It was interesting. I guess one of the pieces, Dr. Ganesh over here on the left-hand side of that image, is helping bring their transformation solutions to other clients, and that's an interesting piece as well. There were some global transformation awards. I'm not quite sure that I understood what the basis was from the keynote in terms of who got those awards. The things I see in common is that they're large, well-known brands who are taking both data integration and analytics into the one space, and a couple of them, or at least Syngenta is one of the advisory customers, so that makes life interesting as well. As always, if you can, please subscribe so that more people can get to see these videos, and you'll be able to see your videos, your next video when it comes out. Thank you.